Hi and welcome to Arham's math class. Today I'm going to show you how to find the triangle numbers between two numbers. If we're going to find the triangle numbers of the numbers 1 to 20, we write it like this. First, you look at the number if it's a 10 digit and the number before it is even or odd. If it's even, which ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, you write even. I'm not going to use the handwriting I usually do, so I just wrote even in the capital letters. It's good if the number is even, then it's easier. You know, it's something like 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Yeah? Then 20 minus 1, which is 19. 20 divided to 2 is 10. 19 times 10 is 190. Here is 19 triangled. Now let's look at 20 triangle. It's a bit easier if you know 19 for the tens. You can just add 2 to the 19, which will make 20. So 20 step squad is 210. Then let's do 18, 17 and 16. But if it's easier, we should just move on to the step squads from 1 to 9. You know, always that one step squad is 1. 2 step squad is the number added before it. 3. 3 step squad is the number added on top of it. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 step squad is the next number. 3 step squad plus 4, 10. 5 step squad is 10 steps. Is 4 step squad plus 5, 15. 6 step squad is 5 step squad plus 6, 21. 7 step squad is 6 step squad plus 7, 28. 8 step squad is 7 step squad plus 8, 36. 9 step squad is 8 step squad plus 9, 45. And 10, and you add the last digit, is 55. But when you keep going here, you see a pattern. You see odd, odd. Even, even, odd, odd, even, even, odd, odd, and so on. I'm not going to do it, but I'll just keep writing. 78, 91. I just did a few more to show you and help with the pattern. 91. That's the pattern, but you also see another pattern. You see? You don't need 1, because usually when you use blocks, building blocks, and you think use 1 block, can't make it into one big step. So 1 doesn't really count, but it is one number, so we write 1 over 1 there. Then 91, what we ended with. Then we use the number which we ended with. And then we go backwards. 91, 78. 91 is 13 step squad. All the way to 1 to 20 is a minus 1 there. So you change that to plus 1. Plus 1. 12 step squad is 12. Plus the 1, 13. 66 step squad is 11. We'll leave this because it is an odd number step squad. So it's definitely in that numbers times table. So an odd number step squad is in its times table. But let's see what 31 step squad, which is 1 step squad, or in really good triangle numbers most of the time. 31 step squad equals 496. But 31 times something is 496. 31 times. Use the plus 1 again. 32. And divide into 2, which is 16. 31 times 16 will be 31 step squad, which is 496. Now, if you understand it a little bit more, I'll show you these patterns. 13, 13, 12 step squad, 13 step squad are also both in the 13 times table. 11 is 11, 10 is 11. 9 is 9, 8 will be 9. 7, 7. 6, 6. But actually, when you see the pattern, it'll go up to plus 1 plus 1. So when you do plus 1 pattern, you go 5, 5. That was nice. 3, 3, 1. Then, you see, the pattern of the step squad goes up to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You see how far these numbers go? 3 is the difference of two much numbers, which is the length of 3, and 91 will be in step squad 10. Now, you look at these times table numbers. 1 is definitely the square of 1, so that's very easy to understand. 2 step squad and 3 step squad in the 3 times table. 4 step squad, 5 step squad, 5 times table. 6 step squad, 7 step squad, 7 times table. 8 step squad, 9 step squad, 9 times table. 10 step squad and 11 step squad is in the 11 times table. And 12 step squad, 13 step squad, 13 times table. The pattern around these only go by odd numbers. The even is always going to be a side length of an odd step squad. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more math tricks. To watch my math videos, you need to click on the mathematics playlist. Bye!